Welcome back to Auto Gear Insider. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation with 16 coolest Amazon gadgets you've never seen before. These are the kind of products that make you stop and say, wait, that actually exists? From smart home upgrades to futuristic desk accessories, I've personally picked gadgets that are practical, unique, and seriously fun to use. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell.
Smart Indoor Climate Monitor. This smart indoor climate monitor is one of those gadgets I didn't realize I needed until I tried it. It tracks temperature, humidity, and air quality in real time, giving you accurate readings right on your phone. I love how it alerts me instantly when humidity spikes or air quality drops, which helps keep my space comfortable and healthy. The sleek design blends perfectly with any room, and setup takes just a few minutes. It's ideal for bedrooms, offices, nurseries, or even basements where air conditions matter most. If you're serious about improving sleep quality or protecting electronics and furniture from moisture damage, this little device makes a big difference. It's smart living made simple and surprisingly affordable for what it delivers every single day. 4K Digital Repair Microscope. If you enjoy fixing electronics or working on detailed projects, this 4K Digital Repair Microscope is a total game changer. It delivers ultra-clear magnification on a large display, letting you see tiny circuit parts, solder points, and microcomponents in incredible detail. I was honestly surprised by how sharp and smooth the image looks even when zoomed in. The adjustable stand keeps everything steady while you work, and built-in LED lighting eliminates shadows. It's perfect for hobbyists, tech repair enthusiasts, and DIY creators who need precision. Whether you're repairing a smartphone board or inspecting jewelry, this microscope gives professional-level clarity without the high price tag. It turns delicate tasks into confident, accurate work with zero eye strain involved.
USB-C Power Meter Tester. This USB-C Power Meter Tester is one of those underrated tools that instantly makes you feel more in control of your tech. It measures voltage, current, and power output in real time, so you can see exactly how fast your devices are charging. I love using it to compare different chargers and cables. It reveals which ones truly deliver fast charging and which ones don't. The bright display is easy to read, and it supports a wide range of devices, including laptops and tablets. If you've ever wondered whether your charger is performing properly, this little gadget removes all guesswork. It's compact, affordable, and surprisingly powerful for troubleshooting charging issues or optimizing your everyday setup at home install. Smart Pomodoro Cube Timer. The Smart Pomodoro Cube Timer makes productivity feel effortless and even a little fun. Instead of fiddling with phone apps, you simply flip the cube to set preset time intervals. I use it daily for focused work sessions, workouts, and even quick cleaning sprints. Each side represents a different time block, and the countdown starts automatically when flipped. The minimalist design looks great on any desk, and it's completely distraction-free. No notifications, no scrolling, just pure focus. The adjustable volume ensures you'll hear the alarm without it being annoying. If you struggle with procrastination or staying on task, this cube creates structure in the simplest way possible. It's a small productivity hack that makes a surprisingly big difference.
Portable Clothes Steamer Pro. The Portable Clothes Steamer Pro is perfect for keeping outfits crisp without dragging out a bulky iron. I love how quickly it heats up and produces consistent steam that smooths wrinkles in seconds. It works great on shirts, dresses, curtains, and even delicate fabrics that irons can damage. The compact design makes it ideal for travel, and it fits easily into luggage. Despite its size, it delivers strong steam output that refreshes clothes and removes odors fast. The water tank is simple to refill, and there's no complicated setup involved. Whether you're preparing for work, an event, or a trip, this steamer saves time and effort. It's convenient, efficient, and surprisingly powerful for everyday garment care needs. Cyberpunk RGB Smart Clock. This Cyberpunk RGB Smart Clock instantly upgrades any desk setup with futuristic vibes. The bold digital display shows time, date, and temperature in a striking neon style that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. I love how customizable the RGB lighting is. You can switch colors to match your mood or setup theme. It's bright enough to stand out but adjustable so it doesn't overwhelm at night. The build quality feels solid and the interface is surprisingly easy to navigate. Beyond aesthetics, it functions as a reliable alarm clock with multiple settings. If you're into modern tech decor or gaming-inspired designs, this clock adds personality and function in one sleek package that really grabs attention.
Mini Precision Drill Pen Tool. The Mini Precision Drill Pen Tool is a must-have for detailed DIY projects. It feels like holding a pen, but delivers powerful drilling performance for small-scale work. I use it for crafting, model building, circuit board projects, and even delicate woodworking. The lightweight design makes it easy to control, and variable speed settings help maintain precision. It's surprisingly strong for its size and handles tiny drill bits with impressive accuracy. Charging is simple, and battery life lasts through extended sessions. If you enjoy creating or repairing small components, this tool adds serious versatility to your kit. It's compact, efficient, and incredibly satisfying to use when precision matters most in creative or technical projects. 240-watt USB-C lightning cable. This 240-watt USB-C lightning cable delivers reliable and ultra-fast charging performance for modern devices. It supports high power output, making it suitable for laptops, tablets, and smartphones without overheating. The cable feels durable, with reinforced ends that resist bending and wear over time. I also like how flexible it is, which prevents tangling and makes storage easier. Data transfer speeds are quick, allowing smooth file sharing between devices. It works consistently without interruptions, which is essential for daily use. The length is practical for both desk setups and travel situations. Overall, it's a dependable and high-performance cable that ensures efficient charging and data transfer while maintaining durability and convenience in everyday use.
Wooden charging alarm clock. The wooden charging alarm clock combines natural aesthetics with modern convenience. I love how the wooden finish blends seamlessly into any bedroom or office decor. It features a clear LED display and doubles as a wireless charging pad for compatible smartphones. That means fewer cables cluttering your nightstand. The brightness levels are adjustable, so it won't disturb your sleep at night. It also includes multiple alarm settings, which is perfect for busy schedules. The touch controls are responsive and intuitive, making setup simple. If you appreciate minimal design with hidden functionality, this clock delivers both style and practicality. It's a smart addition to any modern bedside or workspace setup. Biometric Fingerprint Gun Safe. This biometric fingerprint gun safe provides fast and secure access when needed most. The fingerprint scanner responds quickly, allowing authorized access within seconds. I like how reliable it feels, offering consistent performance without delays. The solid construction ensures durability and protection, while the compact design allows for discreet placement. It also includes backup entry options, adding an extra layer of security. The interior is well designed to keep contents organized and secure. Setup is straightforward, and the system is easy to use. Whether for safety or responsible storage, it delivers both convenience and protection. Overall, it's a dependable solution that combines modern technology with practical security features in a compact design.
Large Auto Dim Wall Clock. The large auto dim wall clock is perfect for anyone who wants bold visibility without harsh brightness. The oversized LED display makes it easy to read from across the room. I really like the automatic dimming feature that adjusts brightness based on ambient light. During the day, it's bright and clear, and at night, it softens automatically. It's great for living rooms, home offices, or even garages. Setup is straightforward, and the modern design complements almost any interior style. The numbers are crisp and easy to read, reducing eye strain. If you value clarity and smart brightness control, this wall clock delivers functionality with a sleek contemporary look. Smart Mug Warmer Desk Pro. If you constantly forget your coffee or tea on the desk, the Smart Mug Warmer Desk Pro is a lifesaver. It keeps your drink at the perfect temperature for hours without overheating. I love how precise the temperature control is. You can adjust it based on your preference. The flat heating surface fits most mugs, and the sleek design blends effortlessly into any workspace. It automatically shuts off for safety, giving peace of mind during long work sessions. Whether you're working, studying, or gaming, this warmer ensures every sip stays satisfying. It's simple, efficient, and makes daily routines feel a little more luxurious and comfortable.
UVC Toothbrush Cleaner Holder. The UVC toothbrush cleaner holder is one of those small gadgets that adds big hygiene benefits. It uses UVC light technology to sanitize toothbrush heads in just minutes. I appreciate how it reduces bacteria buildup between uses, especially in humid bathroom environments. Installation is easy, and it mounts neatly on the wall without taking up counter space. The compact design keeps everything organized while discreetly cleaning in the background. It's rechargeable and energy efficient, making it convenient for everyday use. If you're focused on cleanliness and smart home upgrades, this holder provides peace of mind with minimal effort. It's simple, effective, and surprisingly satisfying to use daily. Magnetic iPhone SSD storage attachment. The magnetic iPhone SSD storage is a brilliant solution for expanding storage instantly. It attaches magnetically to the back of compatible phones, offering fast external storage for videos, photos, and large files. I love how compact and lightweight it feels without adding bulk. Transfer speeds are impressively fast, making it perfect for creators who shoot high-resolution content. It's especially useful for freeing up internal storage without deleting important files. Setup is quick, and it integrates smoothly with supported devices. If you record a lot of video or handle heavy media files, this portable SSD adds flexibility and performance in a sleek, travel-friendly design.
Flexible gooseneck phone holder. This flexible gooseneck phone holder makes hands-free use much more comfortable and convenient. The adjustable arm allows me to position my phone at almost any angle easily. It attaches securely to surfaces like desks, beds, or tables without slipping. The sturdy design ensures the phone stays stable during use. I find it especially useful for watching videos, video calls, or reading content without holding the device. The flexibility doesn't compromise strength, which makes it reliable. It also helps reduce strain on the neck and hands during long sessions over time. It's a simple yet highly effective accessory that improves comfort and usability in everyday situations. 65-watt GAN USB-C charger robot. This 65-watt GAN USB-C charger robot combines efficient performance with a fun and unique design. It supports fast charging for multiple devices, including phones, tablets, and laptops. The GAN technology helps reduce heat while improving energy efficiency. I like how compact it is compared to traditional chargers, making it easy to carry anywhere. The multiple ports allow charging several devices at once without losing speed. The robot-inspired look adds a playful touch to an otherwise standard accessory. It's both functional and visually appealing. Overall, it's a reliable and modern charging solution that delivers strong performance while standing out with its creative and eye-catching design.
Those were the 16 coolest gadgets that truly stand out with innovation and practicality. Each one brings something unique to the table, making everyday tasks easier, smarter, and more enjoyable. Before we wrap up, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Thanks for watching Auto Gear Insider, and I'll see you in the next one.